Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Meghna and in today's video I'm gonna share with you how to achieve this flawless makeup base. It's a step-by-step tutorial about how to get a flawless makeup base. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First step for getting a flawless face is to cleanse your face, and here I have already cleansed my face. Next you need hydration, and for that today I am using this S&P Prep Toner. It's a beautiful toner, it's super hydrating and soothing on skin, and of course it's one of my favorite. Next for my serum, today I am using this minimalist 2% alpha arbutin serum for brighter and radiant looking skin. I am taking just 3 to 4 drops on my face and spreading it gently all over my face. This serum feels so hydrating and soothing on my skin, and I really love how it feels on my skin. On top of that, it's also helping to fade away my acne marks, so yeah, it's a nice product. Now to moisturize my face, today I am using this Plum Green Tea Oil Free Moisturizer. I like to use this one during summer so when my skin feels oily, and this moisturizer gives me enough hydration without making my skin oily or greasy. You can also try this one if you have oily or combination skin. Trust me, you will not regret buying this one. Next step is sunscreen if you are going out in daytime. It's really important to protect your skin from the harmful rays of the sun, so do not forget your sunscreen. Today I am using the Dermaco 1% hyaluronic acid sunscreen, and it's really important to choose a good sunscreen for a flawless makeup base. And this sunscreen doesn't feel under your makeup. It has no white cast, it's lightweight, non-greasy, non-oily, and that's why I like to use this one so much. Now, after your skin prep, you need to give your skin a rest of about 10 minutes so that the skincare products you have used earlier settle down into your skin really well. Next step is to use a primer, and for that today I am using the Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. I am concentrating it mainly on my under eyes, T-zone area and chin. It's really important to apply a primer to get a flawless makeup base because primer not only blurs out your pores and smooths your skin but also helps to decrease the production of oils throughout the day. It also ensures that your makeup stays longer. That's why you need to use a primer. Next step is color correction, and for that I am using the Daily Life Forever 52 Camouflage HD Concealer Palette, but this step is optional. If your foundation or concealer cannot hide your pigmentation, then only you need to use a color corrector. Otherwise you don't need to. I generally do not go for a color corrector, but today I am using this just to show you guys how to use a color corrector. So I am picking up this deep orange shade from the palette with the help of the small oval shaped flat brush and applying it on my under eyes, mouth corners, smile lines, chin, nose corners, basically wherever I have problems of pigmentation. You need to use very less product to color correct. Do not use too much product, otherwise your foundation may also turn orange. So use in small quantity. Now to blend this out, I am using a damp beauty blender. While blending, do not drag the product, just use dabbing motion to blend this out. Now for my foundation, today I am using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 332 Golden Caramel. To get a flawless base, do not use too much product in one go. I am taking just one pump on the back of my hand for my whole face. Start with less product guys, you can always build up the coverage later if required. This way you will end up using less product and your face will look super natural and flawless. Now use a damp beauty blender to blend the foundation because it's a lot easier to get a flawless base using a beauty blender than a foundation brush. And take your time with blending guys, and even when you feel that you are done with blending the foundation, just run the blender once again just to ensure that it is perfectly blended all over your face and neck. Now I'll use a concealer, and for that today I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear More Than Concealer in the shade 317. This concealer provides full coverage and a flawless matte finish. You will really like this concealer if you have oily skin, but I'll not suggest this concealer to dry skin people. This product dries out quickly and that's why I don't apply the concealer in one go. I like to apply this in step by step. Otherwise it becomes really difficult to blend this product. I'll also suggest you guys to do the same. First I tried to blend this product with a concealer brush, but it didn't work, so I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend this product. It's always safer to blend any liquid or cream product using a beauty blender. So yeah, take your time with blending and make sure there's no patch left. Next step is contouring, and for that I'm using the same Daily Life Forever 52 palette, and I'm picking up this medium brown shade from the palette with the help of the same flat brush. Now to contour your cheekbones, make a fish face like I'm showing here and apply your product just above the hollow of your cheeks like I'm applying here. Now to contour your forehead, apply your product just below your hairline, and to contour your jawline, apply the product from below your ear to the chin just like I'm showing here. Now use a damp beauty blender to blend your contour product. Blend the contour of your jawline in downwards motion and in upwards motion for your cheekbones and forehead. But this contouring step is optional. You can always skip contouring and jump into the next step. Now for my nose contouring, I am drawing these two lines from the fronts of my brows to the tip of my nose, and also drawing a little line here connecting both these lines to create a button, and then blending this using a damp beauty blender. Now I'll use the Nykaa All Day Matte Compact Powder to set my base. You can use any compact or loose powder. I like to apply the powder only on my under eyes, T-zone area, and basically wherever I have applied the concealer. I don't like to use powder on my whole face because it takes away the shine from my face. If you have super oily skin, you can apply a light layer of powder on your whole face. Here I am picking up some powder on my beauty blender to clean the contour on my cheeks. I love doing this because it gives you a snatched look to your cheeks. After applying the powder plus and bronzer off camera, I am using the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixture to make my base long lasting. Okay, that was the step-by-step guide for getting a flawless makeup base. I did complete my makeup off camera and here's my final look. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up and share this video as much as you can, and subscribe to my channel to get more such contents. Okay, bye guys. See you in my next video.